Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about substitution. So I will choose about y equals to vs. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1, so we just have only v. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. Now I will put this one to change for y. This one we change for this one. Now we need to simplify s. S to the power of 6, s to the power of 4 we simplify. So we have s and s we simplify again. So v minus v we cancel. Next, s and s we cancel again. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s go to the right. Next, we integral for the both sides. And this one we can use about integration by parts. So this one very long, so you just do about integration by parts. So I will put u equals to this one and dt equals to this one. So if we do integration by parts many times, we will have the answer should be like this. And this is the answer for the question. So the integration in here, I will put in here. The s we have s about v, that is about this one, we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.